hours.
That's ridiculous. Definitely ridiculous.
What is up? My name is Alex and welcome to the 1st of September. And it's a beautiful day here in Galway, and I'm going to give you 5 seconds to guess where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guess it right? We're at the Black Box car park. And we're going into Galway. It's 10:30. I'm heading in. Mum's meeting a friend for a coffee. Zach and I, we're not sure what we're going to do, but we're going to make up as we go, and I'm sure it'll be fun. Let's go. You're rubbish.
Thank you.
We're in Galway Underground Shopping Centre, and we're killing time because I've got an appointment at 1:30 and it's like 12:30, so we've got an hour. So we're going to go into the comic book shop sub-city here in Underground. Here we go. Cheers. Just bought some stuff in Galway Camera Shop for my lens cleaning accessories, so I don't go around with a dirty lens. Bye Pat, see you soon. Bye. Just had a drink at Buskers with Grandad Pat. Now heading back into town. I've had my meeting with one of the filmmakers here in Galway, and it was really nice to chat to him and get some interesting facts in Galway about studying film here and filming in this area. So got some ideas happening up here about filming and maybe moving to Galway.
My image rights are very costly.
Very dear, very dear. Always for every time it shows.
Yes. That's the thing.
Just been in this leather shop and bought myself a new orange and black wallet. Really happy. We beat you, Pat. Patrick, we beat you. And we got the boot.
We already told us to set up a tab.
we're back at the car. But we're not going home just yet. We're going to go over this way to the original Galway shopping centre because we haven't been there yet. And we're going to go there, maybe have some Supermax curry and chips in Galway Original Shopping Centre and look around the shops there. Let's go! Going to the Irish version of my favourite shop. Home, just about to have some chili con carne for dinner.